They throw their shadows before them who carry their lantern on their back. That I exist is a perpetual surprise which is life. We, the rustling leaves, have a voice that answers the storms. But who are you so silent? I am a mere flower. Rest belongs to the work as the eyelids to the eyes. Man is a born child. His power is the power of growth. God expects answers for the flowers He sends us, not for the sun, the earth. The light that plays, like a naked child, among the green leaves happily knows not that man can lie. O beauty, find thyself in love, not in the flattery of thy mirror. My heart beats her waves at the shore of the world and writes upon it her signature in tears with the words, I love thee. Moon, for what do you wait? To salute the sun for whom I must make way. The trees come up to my window like the yearning voice of the dumb earth. His own mornings are new surprises to God. Life finds its wealth by the claims of the world, and its worth by the claims of love. The dry riverbed finds no thanks for its past. The bird wishes it were a cloud. The cloud wishes it were a bird. The waterfalls sing, I find my song, when I find my freedom. I cannot tell why this heart languishes in silence. It is for small needs it never asks, or knows or remembers. Woman, when you move about in your household service, your limbs sing like a hill stream among its pebbles. The sun goes to cross the western sea, leaving its last salutation to the east. Do not blame your food because you have no appetite.